Good morning, dear students. I hope you are busy with the preparation of the board exams. So, as first paper is maths, so I'm just want to share some tips to you. First of all, I want to tell you that while leaving home, okay, you should have to check with your exams accessories like pen, pencil, rubber, scale. Although construction questions are not there, but you should have to carry compass also, okay, and admit card. You must check about the admit card. Sometimes we forget, and that will be a very panic situation, okay. So just keep it this in mind, okay, and report the examination center before at least half an hour, okay, and do some relaxation there. Before giving examination, relaxation is very important, okay. So now come to the exam. This video is going to helpful to all the students, but especially those students who are struggling with the marks, especially in math subject, okay. So how can we improve our marks in the exam? So first point is neatness, okay. You should have to attempt all your papers with a very neat and clean way. CBSE is very strict about this neatness and cleanness of the paper, okay. So how you are going to maintain the neatness? So put a rough diagram, put a margin area in your answer sheet, okay. If you are doing some small calculation like multiplying, division, or some small diagrams, you can do in your margin area. And if you want to do some big question like case based question or something, so and you want to take some rough idea, then take a separate page, mark rough as a heading, and then do, okay, and then copying from there. So this way you can maintain the neatness of your paper. And there should be a proper gap between the two questions also. When you are going to attempt, when you completed one question then started the second question, there should be a proper gap, okay. So this way you can maintain the neatness of the paper. And the second thing is about doing the unnecessary steps, okay. But time is equal to the number, okay. So just please avoid doing unnecessary steps first while doing like if you are attempting the 2 marks question, then do that much step which is required in the 2 marks question. And if you are doing 5 marks question, do that much steps which are required in the 5 marks question, okay. Sometimes you are attempting the 2 marks question and you are doing it like a 5 marks question, that will be a time flop, okay. So keep this in this mind. And third point is that about the what if you have read some question and you are completely black out of this, okay, you don't know how to do. So it's my request that please attempt all the questions, okay. Why it is important? Because CBSE has a tagline, CBSE has given instruction to the teachers very in a clear way that please don't find the way to cut the marks, find the way to give the marks. So if you are doing whatever you do whatever you know, okay. If you don't know how to attempt that question, please read carefully, decide from which chapter it is. Then you must have, I think, some formulas or diagrams in your mind. Please do write that formulas or draw the diagrams in a neat and clean way, and do some steps what you can do, okay. So don't unattempt any questions, okay. Attempt all the questions. So if you attempt all the questions, some marks will you get, okay, and your marks percentage will be improved. Although you can say that we have not given you that marks in our internal exams, because we just want to some extra efforts from you. We just not giving you only writing formulas or doing diagrams in our internal marks in our internal exams, but in CBSE exam you are going to do the final exam, so you will get that marks, okay. So please draw the diagrams, write the formulas, whatever you learned, okay, and try to do some steps. You will get definitely some marks. So attempt all the questions, okay. It's my humble request to you, okay. Attempt all the questions. Then one thing also, don't be panic. Sometimes it happens to us also, okay. When we read that questions, 2 or 3 4 questions in a continuous way, and that questions has come not in our mind. So don't be panic, okay? Read the questions carefully, step by step, okay? Be calm, first be calm and read the questions step by step. Try to remember that from which chapter it is, the question is, and try to remember some formulas or some ideas, okay, some diagrams if it is there. Then you will definitely get some steps what to do, and do whatever you can, okay? So don't be panic there. These are the some important things that I want to share with you. You will definitely get some good marks, some improved marks, okay? So best of luck for your exams. Thank you.